take 2 cups of Epsom salts and a half a cup of baking soda. Mix that up. Just kind of mix it around. Then I'm going to add in 3 drops of Shinrin Yoku, which is a new blend. It's the forest bathing blend. It smells wonderful. I'll just put 4 drops of that. I think I got 5. The more the merrier. And 2 to 3 drops of Ylang Ylang. I love the floral scent of Ylang Ylang. It's very calming and soothing. And it's getting low. And I've decided I'm going to add a drop or 2 of the Madagascar vanilla, which smells so good. I love that. This one takes a minute to come out. It's kind of hard to get out of there. I might have ended up with more than I thought. Then I'm just going to mix that up so those oils are really mixed in really, really well. Oh, it smells really good. And then I have these fun little bags that can open up at the top. And I'm just going to do my best to pour this in here without it going everywhere. We're going to give this a shot. A little more. Oh, there goes some on the side. That's okay. Then I'm going to just, you can see that there's a little groove here, so I can just seal that right up. And then kind of shake it around so it's a little flatter. And there we have a bath bomb. Well, not a bath bomb, but bath salts, which are soothing. The Epsom salts are really good for circulation and to kind of detox. And then the baking soda helps to smooth and soften the skin. And then I made a little label that I will just pop onto there. And there I have a fun little Christmas gift. Voila! Took, what, 2 minutes? Anyway, stay tuned. I'll be making some more things. Bye.